On Tuesday, a major protest in Kolkata turned chaotic as the Nabanya Abhijan march became violent. The protest, aimed at demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over the RG Kar hospital rape murder case, escalated when demonstrators started throwing stones at the police and breaking barricades near Howrah Bridge. The police responded with water cannons, tear gas, and lathi charges to push the protesters back and prevent them from reaching the state secretariat known as Nabanya. Social media was flooded with images and videos showing the intense confrontation between the police and protesters. The police had to set up barricades around Howrah Bridge to stop the protesters from advancing, but the situation quickly became unruly. Before the march began, 4 individuals were arrested for allegedly planning to incite major violence during the protest. According to Kolkata police, these individuals were involved in a conspiracy related to murder and attempted murder. To control the protest, authorities have set up iron and aluminium barricades at more than 20 locations near the state secretariat. They have even applied oil to these barricades to make them slippery and difficult for protesters to climb over. Over 6,000 police officers have been deployed to manage the situation and secure routes leading to the West Bengal Secretariat in Howrah. Additional forces from other districts have been brought in, including heavy radio flying squads, rapid action force, and quick reaction teams. Drones and robocops are being used to keep track of the protesters, and anti-riot Vajra vehicles are also on site. The West Bengal police have labelled the protest march as illegal because no official permission was requested for the demonstration towards Nabanya. The protest was organized by an unregistered student group called Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj. Key organizers include Prabir Das, a master student at Rabindra Bharati University, Shubhankar Haldar from Kalyani University, and Sayan Lahiri of Rabindra Mukta University. Their demands include justice for the 31-year-old trainee doctor involved in the case, the capital punishment for the accused, and the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. It's worth noting that doctors who have been protesting since August 9, as well as left students' organizations, have distanced themselves from this particular march. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.